Hi, this is Ronnie, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the YouTube Layout Hop. The theme this month is your favorite thing. Yeah, and I was so lucky. See, I'm showing it off. I found the word favorite on the thicker sheet, and I'm going to use my favorite collection, which you all know is Creative Agenda. And I picked my favorite papers out of there, too. Well, there's another one that is also a favorite. Well, I don't know. I guess I picked ones I thought I'd just use today because I think I love them all. I am going to use that craft, like mostly in the center, off center of the page, but I decided to triple mat my picture. Yeah, I figured I might as well. I got all these colors out here, and I thought everything can go together. I am looking there and trying to decide, do I want this side, do I want that side? I finally decided on the grid side, and I'm going to put the flowers on the right hand side. But I am going to cut the excess off from the back. I'm not going to waste it. And I'm just using my craft knife, and that one's a Sizzix one. It's kind of heavy duty, but I don't have a spare blade. If I break it, I will have to dig out another one. I do have one that I think it's we are memory keepers that I probably had for like 15 years, and the blade's still good. It still works, only the blade don't come out very far, so it's a little hard to use sometimes depending on what you're doing. But yeah, same blade, and I used it all by itself. I didn't have another blade until this past year, and then I bought the Tim Holtz one, and it had two extra blades, but I broke one right off the bat. I need something stronger than this, or I'll be going through the blades like crazy. So I got the Sizzix one just because it looked like it was pretty sturdy. And I got it for a good price. I think I'm going to work on my title now. I pulled these stickers out too. They're like, oh, that brand at Hobby Lobby. I'm pretty sure that's where I got them. And I like them pretty good. They're really sticky. And so every time I just barely touched that picture, they would stick. And I'm going to work with it and try to get it just right and get everything where I want it, both words. And it's going to stay there through the entire layout till I go to take the pictures. And then I'm going to decide I don't want it. So the pictures at the end do not have "love this" on the picture. I am taking it off. And you would have thought, as long as it took me to put it on there, that sometime during that period of time, I would have thought, I don't want this on here, and took it off then. But no, I take it off when I go back to take the pictures. It could be because there's nothing else on the page when I'm doing that. And then, I put my title on there, and it takes up quite a bit of space. Plus, I put some other stuff on there, some stickers, and yeah, it could be that because I put all that on there. I decided I didn't want it. I'm going to kind of, sort of, work my title around that word favorite. I know I want to put my, so I want to nestle it in there on the top. And I'm going to use these glitter stickers. And no, I can't remember what they are. They were both packages in one thing. And they are American Crafts. Of course, you all know that. But I am not sure which ones they are. I am thinking in my head Maggie Holmes and that one with the party. That's what I'm thinking in my head. But I can't say for sure that's what it is. But my title is "My Favorite Part of Retirement is Scrapbooking." I bet you all thought I was going to say my favorite part of retirement was the grandkids. Well, they are a huge part of it because I wouldn't have as much to scrapbook without it. And I sure do love having them and seeing them and doing things with them. But they are in school most of my retirement time, so I can't spend as much time with them as I can scrapbooking. So they are my most favorite thing of all time. But my favorite part of retirement is scrapbooking. I'd be bored to death if I didn't have something to do. And thank goodness I have something that I like. My sister makes fun of me. Yeah, she crochets, but she makes fun of me. I can crochet. My mom taught me when I was a kid, and I went my whole entire adult life not crocheting. Then a few years ago, I thought, well, I'm going to see if I can. So I sat down and had the little recipe or whatever that is in front of me, and I got the crochet hook and took yarn instead of crochet thread. Crochet thread is what I used when I was a kid, but I thought, well, I'm going to use yarn to do this. Turned out perfect. My mom taught me good. It's just not something I like. It takes forever to get anything done, and I'm slow scrapbooker anyhow. So I'd rather have something I can get done and go on to the next thing than have something I got to crochet for 3 to 4 months and not see a result until then. Oh, and the thing that I crocheted that day was just a flower. Yeah, it wasn't nothing big, but it turned out like it was supposed to. It looked just like what was in the picture. Oh, here I am putting this little banner down, and it says celebrate the everyday. So every day I get to celebrate by scrapbooking while I'm retired. It was a long time coming. I'm putting that little, well, it's like a date stamp only. It's got words underneath it, and you can pick out which ones you put on there. I put that there, but I didn't really like it there. And so I am going to end up taking it off and putting it back on the sticker sheet. This other banner that I'm getting right now, it says, do more of what makes you happy. So you see the theme here. I am going to put one up there that says pretty important too. Oh, that tab up at the top, it says seize every moment. And yeah, everything on here is pertaining to my favorite thing to spend as a pastime during retirement. Yeah. And oh, I am fussy cutting out the brushes. Yeah, they're pretty hard to cut out. But yeah, I'm fussy cutting them out and taking that big white spot off because I like it a whole lot better without it. And see, I even tried to move that stamp over there, but I didn't like it over there either. I usually like it on a page, but I guess I just didn't have quite enough room to make it look good. And when I took that little clock off the sticker sheet, I tore it. It was pretty sticky on there. And that release paper was not wanting to release it. But, you know, that don't stop me from using it on my layout because you can just get it right back together. And I took some liquid glue and put on there. And, yeah, it looks fine. I can't even tell it's done now. I put that one up there. I had to use it. It says pretty important. And yeah, scrapbooking is pretty important. I know you all agree. My sister may not, and my daughter may not, but I figure you all agree that it's pretty important. I pulled out some enamel dots and I decided I wanted to use 3 different colors, and because you know this page is pretty colorful, and use them in each little, well, I don't know if it's a cluster area, but all of them have something in them. Oh, and I pulled these hearts out and I almost forgot to use them. When I laid the enamel dots down, I seen them and I thought, oh yeah, I gotta have hearts on there. I can't do this layout without hearts. So yeah, I'm putting hearts on there. And I'm using the same colors that the enamel dots were, so they match pretty good. And so yeah, my title's a little long, but I don't have to have any journaling that way. And oh look, I'm done. I am done with my layout. Let's see. I love this is not going to be in the pictures. They're coming up right now. See, and it's not there. And I really think it's because I had such a long title and there was so much in that one area. It just really looked crowded sitting there on that picture. And I do like to put stuff on the pictures every now and then. But there's my title. And there's that pretty important and seize the moment. And yeah, I'm scrapbooking. Can y'all tell? That is what I'm doing here. And I'm actually doing a layout with my picture on it, which is super rare. But that is close to my heart stuff that you see there. Well, older, close to my heart stuff. But check out all the links below and see what everybody else is creating that is their favorite. Yeah, I'm going to be watching all those videos because I want to see what their favorite is. And We will do another one next month. I cannot remember what the theme will be, but if you want to join, just holler. And what else? Oh, if you leave a comment, I'll get back with you. If you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. There's still a little bit time to get in on that drawing for a $25 gift certificate. Just look for the video that is layout, share, and giveaway. And you have to be a subby and leave a comment on that video. But thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope you have a happy, scrappy week. Bye.